Hello, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making a floral honey butter cake with our Fiori di Sicilia syrup. We're going to start off with combining our dry ingredients. We have some all-purpose flour, some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Next, we're going to cream our butter, sugar, and honey together until it's nice and fluffy. Using honey allows us to reduce the amount of sugar, and it's also a much more delicate sweetness that combines really well with our floral products. Next, incorporate each egg one at a time, fully incorporating between each egg. Add half of your pre-mixed dry ingredients. Now we're going to mix in our milk and 3.5 pumps of our Fiori di Sicilia syrup. Our syrups are straight-use products that are made with all natural ingredients. In addition to Fiori di Sicilia, we have a sugar-free Fiori di Sicilia syrup and an orange blossom syrup that can be used interchangeably in this recipe. We're going to spray our loaf pan with floured baking spray. And because we're using a textured pattern, go ahead and take a pastry brush to fill in all the little crevices with your flour grease spray. Go ahead and put this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 to 55 minutes. Once your cake is done baking, give it a good 15 to 20 minutes in the pan so that it continue to cook all the way through and you won't lose the beautiful design on top. Thank you so much for watching. If you decide to make this recipe, tag us on social media. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell below so you'll never miss a recipe, and make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time!